Yay, hayi seyikhalile bafethu. Mamelodi Sundowns sikhalile. I don't want to laugh. Okay, bafethu. I have some updates for you. Let's get straight into the video together. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Amakhosi Stand Podcast. Please make sure you like, subscribe and comment to this video. Yes, bafethu, so I'm back with another big update. First of all, I want to say congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns for bottling their second star. Bafethu, ayikho isimo ezothola istar i-Kaizer Chiefs ingakasithole esayo. So just relax, guys. Next season, after getting our star, maybe on that year you will get your second star, but not now because Kaizer Chiefs haven't gotten their star. Umfana wethu Mayele wenze njalo as always, as we know. Yeah, so congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns for bottling the Champions League. So let's get into tonight's news. The updates I have for you is for the guy. Or before I give these updates, before I make the video, any of my videos on transfer updates, guys, I do my research. I research whether the story is true or false from different sources that I trust, like Mickey Jr., Sokala Duma, Lorenz, and Austin Ditlobol. Yes, so I do my research very well and then try to give you guys some not 100% sure rumors, but I'm trying to give you my best. So please, if the rumors are not true or the deal end up not happening, it's not because I am telling lies, it's because my sources are saying that. So today I have the updates for Keletso Magwala. Keletso Magwala is a winger from Sekhukhune United. I'm sure you guys know him well. He has pace, dribbling and finishing. Apparently he's linked with Kaizer Chiefs. My sources said that, but one or two sources said the bid that was made by Kaizer Chiefs to Sekhukhune United, it was rejected, but the player wants to join Kaizer Chiefs because he likes the project of Kaizer Chiefs for next season, and for the Kaizer Chiefs is a big team. But my sources right now, they are not all 100% accurate, because 50% of them, they're saying the deal might happen, and then the other 50 saying the deal has collapsed. But the most trusted source in Mickey Jr. hasn't revealed anything yet, because we know him that he breaks stories. He's our own Fabrizio Romano. So keep watch on Keletso Magwala and tell me, what do you think of him? Me, I think he is a good player. He can do a massive job lapha wing. So if the rumors are true that we are linked with this guy, uh, it will be a huge boost. But ngendlela engicabanga ngayo he is our second option if we end up not getting a police. So we know that if we don't get a police, we go for Keleto Mahwala. What do you think about him? On the wingers, still on the wingers, there is a name that we should always talk about. The guy has been linked with Kaizer Chiefs from January, is it January or what? Yeah, I think January window he was linked with Kaizer Chiefs move. From there, still now, he's still linked with Kaizer Chiefs news, with Kaizer Chiefs rumors. So the guy is apparently not playing in his team now. I'm sure he wants to join other teams, but it seems like Kaizer Chiefs are more interested. The player that I'm talking about, before I reveal the player, please make sure you like this video. Please like and then just subscribe. Just subscribe. 1 second, 1 second, 2 seconds of your time, you're done. Thank you. So the player that I'm talking about is Munapule Saleng. Of course, we are linked with him big time, and we'll be linked with him until he signs a new deal with Orlando Pirates or signs for another club, because I heard there's a AS Monaco, if I'm not mistaken, they are also interested in a player. So Orlando Pirates, they have to just release the guy because he's very talented. We don't want to waste his talent. So another player that I really like lapha Simba, not with Simba, with Pyramids. I know we all like Fiston Mayele. He's the most liked player in Africa right now, mostly in South Africa. You know why. But there is another guy lapha Nabafezu. The guy who's wearing number 7, Blood Torre. He's a star. If we can get a midfielder like him, yo guys, we are not linked with him. I'm not saying we are linked or what. We are not linked with him. I'm just saying that if somehow we can negotiate, he's a good player. This one, good player, quality. He controls the middle. He's perfect, guys. So tell me what do you think about these rumors I've just shared with you. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Sharp guys, I love you so much. Thank you.